Hello guys, so eto gagawa ko ng parang 5 ways to improve yourself, 'di ba? Mga ganun. Pero sarili ko yung sinasabihan ko. So, 5 things na kailangan natin na gawin every single day to improve. Number 1, pray and be grateful. Wala tayong hihilingin, papasalamat tayo sa kung anong mga nangyari sa buhay. Sa umaga pa lang, magpasalamat tayo dahil binigyan na naman tayo ng panibagong pagkakataon upang mabuhay, makasama ang mga mahal natin sa buhay, trabahuhin ang ating mga layunin sa buhay. And ayun, magpasalamat dahil nga sa panibagong araw. Pangalawa, mag-exercise. First thing in the morning is pray. Then second thing is taking care of ourselves. Kasi hiram lang natin tong buhay na to, di ba? And pagka nga tayo nagpahiram, di ba? Gusto natin pag binalik is in good condition. Kung paano nila nahiram, ganun din dapat nila ibalik. So, it's a borrowed life, borrowed body. So, we should be taking care of ourselves. So, we should exercise, let the blood flow, stretch, diba? Be prepared for the day. Yun yung pag-workout eh. So, dapat handa ka sa kahit na anong mangyari. You are able to run, you are able to jump, you are able to climb. You are prepared to lift something. And iba yung aura eh. Iba yung aura na alam mo, galing ka na agad sa hirap ng pag-workout, di ba? And also, it releases happy hormones. So, pagkatapos mo mag-workout, sigurado masaya, sigurado magaang, sigurado fresh, sigurado masarap kang kasama. Kasi nga, happy hormones eh. You produced happy hormones. So, nakikita ng tao yun. So, first is pray. Second is exercise. Third is always do your best. That's the third motto. Always do your best. Always give your best. You always ask yourself, is this the best? If meron ka pang makita na improvement, edi gawin mo, improvement. It compounds eh. If you're always doing the best things in life, if you always execute with the intention na gusto mong gawin ito, na pinakamaayos mong kayang gawin, it compounds. The attitude compounds, di ba? The knowledge itself compounds. Kasi pagka kunwari ikaw nagsampay ka, di ba? Pagka lukot-lukot yung sampay mo, wala sa yung hanger, nasa kabila mo nilagay, nakabaliktad yung shirt. Hindi naman ng example ko eh, no? Do your best pero sa pagsasampay eh, no? Pero ganun, you do, ano yung saying na yun? How you do one thing is how you do everything. So, siguro yun na yun. Yung personality mo yung pinaka benefit dun. Kung ikaw yung kilala ng tao na you always do your best, magiging high value person ka. And people love that. High value people love that. Kaya nga, di ba sinasabi ng mga high value people, they want to work with people who are smarter than them. Kasi nga, those people na smarter than them, they always do their best. They persevere through hardships. They are disciplined to study. They are goal-oriented. They finish every task with confidence, 'di ba? ba? So, ayun. Third is always do your best. And fourth, study, improve, read, be curious. That's the fourth thing. Be curious. Always study. You read. Diba? You read. All the great minds in this world writes. So, lahat ng libro, ang may gawa nun, mga matatalinong tao. Hindi basta-basta madali magsulat ng libro with those kind of precision na may certain topic tapos nakafocus lang doon. Sobrang hirap nun. And isa yun sa gusto ko talagang gawin, magsulat ng libro. So yun, always read at least an hour every day. Tapos fifth is always have good intention. Hindi naman to by order. These are the 5 most important things na we have to be disciplined enough to keep it to ourselves every day. This is the personality that I want. So, ang personality ko is 1, grateful, 2, exercise, 3, always do your best, 4, read, 5, good intentions. So, lahat ng gagawin natin dapat ay mabuti para sa lahat. Ganon kalawak. Medyo meron akong pagka-overthinker eh. So, kaya ako mag-isip ng in 10 years, 20 years kung ano mangyayari dun sa isang bagay. Tulad nung previous business ko, Tapa de Horsey. So, nung naging health conscious ako, nakita ko na siya na for me to earn money, I have to feed someone na bad food. So, hindi ko na siya tinuloy kasi masyado siyang masarap eh. Everyday no order eh. So, nakikita ko na ano yun, the world is changing for the better. I am an advocate. Ano ba tamang ano? I advocate generational health. So, importante sa akin na I only produce what's good for humanity and good for the earth. I want to live long. I want to have grandkids, grandkids that can enjoy this wonderful earth. Diba? Kaya naman natin yun eh. If everyone has good intention to all, kayang-kaya yun. Meron naman mga country na they prioritize their citizens eh over profit. Mas masarap yung lahat ng tao nag-i-enjoy sa mundo, di ba? Everyone has the luxury to explore, to see the other part of the world, to learn about other cultures, di ba? Yan ang pinakamasarap, guys. And tingin ko may system dun. I share it naman sa other video. So, this video is for me to remind myself what personality I want. 1, always be grateful, pray. 2, exercise, keep your body in check, make sure you are able to move, you're able to perform. And 3, always do your best at anything, and praying and exercising and doing this kind of vlogs. Always do your best, you try your best. So 4, learn, be curious, read, crave for knowledge, information, make your mind sharp. And 5th, always good intention. So Make sure to remember that. And guys, kung apply din sa inyo, maayos tong principles na to. See you again on the next vlog. See you!